guys, so I'm going to show you how you can add videos to your Google Slides. I have this template here that is pretty much a planner and agenda of weekly lessons that you can share with your kiddos, and you can actually add any activities you want them to do on here. You can have assignments, you can add your videos like we're going to do in just a few seconds. But you can pretty much use this as a resource just to organize, keep the kiddos organized. You can use it for yourself. You can add in a Schoology. You can add in Google Classroom. So if you like it, you can click on the link below and download it for yourself. You can edit it so clearly just to fit your needs and your preferences on your classes. But let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go on here on Tuesday, and I've already had it set up to where it's pretty much you just got to click and add your video on there. So it's really easy. You can go on here and just click on that, and we can go to insert, and we're going to go to video because we want to do that. You can do two things. You can search a video on here, or you can go to your Google Drive if you already have one on there, or by URL. I'm going to go ahead and use the videos that I've created for my kiddos, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to double check. Yep, exactly, that's me. Spanish lessons, conjugating is what I want, so I'm going to select that, and I'm going to leave it on here, and it should pop up. So what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and size it to fit. And you just kind of play around with it. So I have my video there, and then I would have to-do lists, things that I want the kiddos to complete. I can insert on here just my Google Classroom for the kiddos to go on here. You can kind of play around with the size, rotation. You can do position, just kind of add more things on here, or you can just leave it like this. And I'm going to go ahead and leave it like that, and I'm going to show you what that looks like when you present. And it's on here, so your kiddos will be able to kind of move around on here, but most importantly, the video, and it'll pop up on here. So then they have the option also to make it bigger on there as well for the whole screen. But that's pretty much it, guys. I really hope that this was helpful. You can add pretty much any video on here that you want to these resources, or to these pages. I hope that was easy for you guys. Please, if you have any other questions, I will be more than happy to answer them if you leave a comment below. And thank you, guys.